That's what I've been thinking. I'm thinking, where in the world am I going to sleep tonight? Oh my gosh. It's not like normal places that have truck stops and stuff like that. I haven't seen a truck stop all day. Okay, guys, this is weird. Okay? You see the sign right there? On the pole right underneath it is barbed wire all the way around it. I've noticed that on several different highway signs. I'm thinking, what's with that? Is it I don't know why. Why would they have barbed wire on all the signs? I don't know. This one has it too. I'm thinking you can see the right at the edge of that on the pole. That's weird. That's weird. I'm hoping this one will be a little better. We'll see. You see up on that bridge right here? There's like homeless tents all over there. And I've been noticing that too. Being on the, I think on the 110 south. And every time there's an overpass, there's a bunch of tents and lean-tos up against the fence. It's a little sad. The big, tall palm trees. Ooh. I'm heading south because I'm trying to get to the beach. Okay, I figure my chances are better at the beach finding a place to sleep tonight, and then I can goof around tomorrow. So, here's hoping. See, California won. Woo! I'm at, see, where am I? I'm at Redondo Beach. And, Redondo Beach. I'll be back. Sammy, I'm sorry, honey. We gotta find a place to park. Look at this building! It's right across the street from the pier. Or the parking lot, whatever. I don't know, there's boats to the right. Oh, wow, this is confusing. I'm way out of my element right here. Okay. Well, there's parking there, but it didn't say if I can park how long or how much. Police parking only. Well, that's not me. Portofino Way. Well, let's try down here. Look at all these boats. Ooh. Wow. Okay. Well, this is about as close as we're going to get to the beach today. It's proving to be very difficult to find a place to park around here. Everything closes at dark. You're not allowed to be on the streets certain time to certain times. Oh, God. But there's Pacific Coast. There's Pacific Ocean. Okay. Well, at least we got to see it. Oh, I'm lucky we got to see that. I'll be back.